Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yellow brick in Bricklabs. We'll start by understanding the fundamental steps involved in custom brick coloring. Then, we'll gather all the necessary materials and tools, ensuring you have everything ready for a smooth process. Finally, I'll guide you through achieving that perfect, vibrant yellow, making sure your bricks look fantastic and consistent every time. To begin, you'll need to gather your essential materials. We recommend using 1 part yellow pigment, 2 parts of a white base, and a suitable binding agent. Precision in measurement is key here, so ensure all components are weighed accurately for consistent color results. Once you have your dry ingredients, mix them thoroughly together before introducing any liquid, creating a uniform powder mixture. Now let's move on to forming your bricks. Carefully press the mixed material into your brick molds, applying firm and even pressure to ensure a solid shape. After molding, allow the bricks to air dry for at least 24 hours. This crucial step prepares them for firing. Finally, cure your bricks in a kiln at 1000 degrees Celsius for optimal strength and durability, typically for several hours. Achieving the perfect yellow often involves a bit of fine-tuning. Feel free to adjust your pigment ratios slightly to explore different shades, from a pale lemon to a deep golden hue. Always conduct small test batches first to verify your desired color before committing to a larger production run. Remember, consistent mixing and precise curing are vital for uniform color and long-lasting, durable bricks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.